Sidra Chain lacks respect for its community. For any project that builds a patient, resilient and loyal community is 90% on the path to success, but Sidra Chain is an exception. Hello cryptocurrency miners, Web3 blockchain technology, all Sidra miners, welcome back to the channel. What is currently going on? All miners are now panicked, so there's a great controversy between the miners and the Sidra team. Now for a few days now, if you check, you will see that Sidra have not been posting anything, not only few days, about a month or even more since March, right? Sidra have not dropped any posts about this project, and all miners around the world are panicking. Why is it that Sidra are not coming online to talk about their project, just like other projects during Notcoin, during Pi and a lot of projects, right? Sidra are not doing the same thing. What is currently happening? Everybody is panicking and a lot of people are saying that Sidra has failed woefully. But in this video, I'm going to give you my opinion and also what you need to do as a Sidra miner in order for you not to fall for all this fake news, right? So I received a lot of messages from my community members who are asking me, Crypto Guru, do you think Sidra project is a good project, and do you think that this project is gonna launch very soon or give us massive profit, or do you think Sidra project is a scam? Here is what I'm going to tell you. Make sure you watch till the end so that you get your answer. The first thing I want you to know is that Sidra is not the first project that goes offline for a while. Even during Pi mining, that's how Pi network turned a lot of people down, and even right now there are millions of people that mine Pi without completing their KYC. Now this is the message a lot of supporters of Sidra mining are dropping on Twitter, and they say Sidra Chain lacks respect for its community. Any project that builds a patient, resilient and loyal community is 90% on the path to success, but Sidra Chain is an exception. Every day the community send messages, right, and questions, yet there are no response, no clear update from Sidra Chain. They see everything happening but have failed to give the community the attention it deserves. Despite all this, the community continues to trust Sidra Chain and has invested in projects where Sidra Chain is responsible for listing, distribution and overall planning. However, for many months, SCT has failed to list projects on Sidra Chain and has not provided any clear explanation for the delays. There is no mining, no swapping and no proper communication about the direction of the project. After more than 4 years of mining, can we now say that the Sidra ecosystem team has failed? Now, I've received this kind of messages several times about this project, and the reason why people are sending me messages, I understand, is because I'm one of those influencers who believed in this project, right? Who believe in this project. I'm always coming out to talk about this project, updating my community on how the project is going. But here's the thing, a lot of people are not even thinking about me coming online to give them updates. They are talking to me as if I'm the one who owns the project, but I'm not the one. And before I end this video, like I said before, I'm hosting a class on WhatsApp where you can be able to learn how to make money online, how you can be able to create YouTube content where at least you can be earning at least $100 monthly, right? So there's a different way of making money online, not only by airdrop. Especially right now, we're in the era of AI, where you can be able to use artificial intelligence to create videos or make a lot of jobs for yourself. So don't miss out on this class. Very easy to join our class, so just chat me on WhatsApp through this number and I'll put you through on the process you need to join this class. You are going to learn strategies on how you can be able to make money with trading. If you have been struggling with trading signals and a lot of things, just join this class. And also you are going to learn how to create YouTube content using artificial intelligence, and also you are going to learn how to fetch Web3 jobs for yourself. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Sidra is a big project and a lot of people are still doubting this project. Why are they doubting Sidra project? The reason why they are doubting Sidra project is because Sidra are not coming online to talk too much. They're not coming online to post updates to their community all the time or the progress of this project. The last time Sidra made updates that made me happy, it was 12th May 2025, and this is the update they posted. They said we are working with a lot of exchanges and government approval for regulation purposes, and banks can accept payment and transaction. This process is not yet friendly with many countries. Yes, we understand. Now I want to give you guys a little example about XRP token compared to Sidra token. Now XRP are working on cross-border transaction in order for their project, to be accepted in all the banks around the world, so that we can be able to use XRP for cross-border transaction. Even right now, billions of people are using XRP for cross-border transaction. But still, XRP are still working tirelessly to make sure that their dream comes true. Now, it's not easy as you guys think. It is not easy at all, because right now the same thing Sidra are doing. Sidra has similarity with XRP token, and if you check XRP is more than 7 years, but they are still working to make sure that their project is accepted around the world, and exactly how Sidra are also working to make sure that all those Arabian countries that really want to get into crypto project or crypto market, they're trying to bring them in for this game to grow fast. I know many of you don't know how hard it is to build a project from scratch, but here is the thing: no matter what you're doing, there's not any project that is going to give you what you want fully. Because if you remember Notcoin, we made thousands of dollars during Notcoin, but what happened then? Notcoin went offline for about 5 months without posting anything about their project, and before you know, they just announced their listing. People that owns the Notcoin, people that stay patient, they sold Notcoin and make massive gains. And also, if you guys remember during Pi, even me, I doubted Pi. I said that no, this project is a scam project. Pi is not going to give us any profit at all. All these things are lies. But before I know, I just wake up one day and I go inside Twitter for me just to see that Pi has already posted their listing date. And before I know, Pi listed their tokens without me having enough. And all my friends that bought Pi, they made a lot of profit. I even helped other people to buy Pi. Those people later made a lot of profit without me, because I was criticizing the project. Now, this message is for those that have already invested into Sidra. If you know that you have already bought a lot of Sidra, what I will advise you right now to do is to be patient. That is why in the first place I said that if you know that the money you are using to buy Sidra, you want to use it to do something, don't buy Sidra. Use that money and do whatever you want to do, or separate it into two and make sure that you invest what you are not going to use very soon, because projects like this are for long-term investment, and I've been warning a lot of people about it. Before you invest in anything online, make sure you know full process of what you are investing your money into, because your hard-earned money matters a lot to you, and you have to be very careful while investing your hard-earning money. There are thousands of people that invested in different projects. There's a lot of projects that are yet to launch inside Sidra, like this project right now, ARX Gold and Silver Tokenization. They have about 1.5 million Sidra tokens, and their project is yet to be approved. And you can see that they have already hit all the targets. They are just waiting for Sidra to approve. But for you, I know you are just waiting for listing, but these people are waiting for their project to be approved at least before the listing date. And here is another problem that we are facing inside the Sidra app. Some people that account without face tracking prompts may still be able to claim their tokens, while some accounts showing face tracking requests may need to wait until fixed or completed. This is the part of the current system adjustment. Now, if you take this picture right here, you'll see that there's a different way of claiming. Why are some users on Sidra Chain facing the face land marker initialization failed error, while others are not even asked for face verification? Is this due to the device compatibility, account-based verification rules, or a face rollout? So there's a lot of things that are going inside the Sidra app. You just have to be patient, because you have nothing to do. You are not going to fight them. They own this project, and they want this project to succeed more than you that is currently mining. So Sidra are not leaving their project. There's a lot of people that think that Sidra will just go offline, or maybe Sidra will just abandon their project. Hell no. Every builder wants their project to get to where Sidra is today. Sidra has a lot of miners, millions of miners across more than 100 countries. And do you think it's very easy for Sidra to just leave their project like that? Even if Sidra does not want to complete their project, there's a lot of people that will buy this project from Sidra. But I know that Sidra really want to complete their project, so you just have to be patient. It's your boy Crypto Guru. If there's any update about Sidra, I'll definitely drop it in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.